ಆತ್ಮೀಯರು, ಬಂಧು ಬಳಗ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಗೋಪಾಲನ್ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಯೂರ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬಳಗ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. Now we will have a quick introductory AI which will be run to give a history of our Karnataka's rich heritage and culture. Shall we, Vinay?
Yeah, thanks, Usha. I think we'll just get introduced to a small introduction about Karnataka, why it came to existence. Just a 2 minutes intro, and then we'll actually honor our guests, and then we get started with the program. So we'll have the EV now. Okay.
Please be very vigilant. Lot of questions might
Very
come
good
out.
evening to one and all, and a warm welcome to today's celebrations. At the outset, we thank everyone to making this place a home to your dreams and aspiration. We begin with a brief history of unification of Karnataka Heki Karana, Karnataka Union. Background, pre-20th century. Before unification, Kannada-speaking regions were scattered under several rulers and administrations after the British defeated Tippu Sultan in 1799, mainly the Bombay Presidency, Madras Presidency, Nizam's-e-Rabad, and the Mysore Kingdom. These divisions hindered cultural unity and administrative cohesion among Kannada speakers. Early voices for unification, late 19th, early 20th century. The movement gained momentum with Kannada literary figures and freedom fighters. Organizations such as the Karnataka Vidya Vardaka Sangha, founded in 1890 at Dharwad, strongly advocated for bringing all Kannada-speaking areas under one state. Formation of Karnataka Pradesh Congress Committee, 1920s. Aruru Venkat Rao, who wrote Karnataka Gatha Vaibhava in 1912, played vital roles in galvanizing public sentiment for unification, emphasizing Kannada language and culture as the basis of a unified Karnataka identity. Post-independence and the state's reorganizations movement. After 1947, India reorganized states partly on linguistic lines. Strong protests and campaigns by Kannada-speaking people intensified during the early 1950s. States Reorganizations Act, 1956. On 1st November 1956, the act merged Mysore State, North Karnataka, formerly in Bombay Presidency, South Kannada, Madras Presidency, Kannada-speaking regions of Hyderabad State like Raichur, Gulbarga, Kurgu, Cork. This created a new, unified Mysore state, and later on 1st November 1973 it was renamed to Karnataka state, giving an identity to all united Karnatakas. We hope you have a great time. Thanks for your patience and wholehearted cooperation.
Brief intro about Kannada and why its existence as Karnataka, because as you know, it's a summation of all the four regions which are under different personalities which have come together as Karnataka. That's about it. I think Usha, now we move.
Thank you so much. I think that's fantastic. ನಮ್ಮ ಕುಲ ಪುರೋಹಿತರು, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಕುಲ ಪುರೋಹಿತರು ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿ? ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ಎವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು. Can anybody name who is the Kula Purohita of Karnataka? Who actually started the Ekikarana, means unity of Karnataka and the emerging of Karnataka. ಒಂದು ಮಹಾನ್ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಯಸಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ರೇಸ್ ಯೋರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಶೌಟ್ ಔಟ್.
Okay, I'll give a hint. It was Karnataka Gatha Vaibhava, which was written by him. So
Yes.
that's a clue. We already played that.
ಎನಿಬಡಿ?
You can name the
ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ
person.
ಕುಲ ಪುರೋಹಿತರು. ಓಕೆ, ನಾ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ. ಹಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಅಲ್ಲೂರು ವೆಂಕಟ್ರಾವ್, ಇವ್ರು ನಮ್ಮ ಕುಲ ಪುರೋಹಿತರು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಕುವೆಂಪು ಅವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಮಾಸ್ತಿ ಸರ್ ಅವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ, ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಓದ್ತಾನೆ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸ್ ಟು ನೋ ಆರ್ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ. ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂದಿನ ಈ ಸಂಜೆಯ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಯಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಶ್ರೀ ಅಂಜನಪ್ಪ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೋರ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಹೂಡಿ ಗ್ರಾಮದ ಸ್ಥಳೀಕರು. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಪುಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಟು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂಜನಪ್ಪನವರು. and he has done a lot of work in Kannada Sahitya, and we are very glad to welcome you here, sir. Thank you so much. ಇದರೊಂದಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಒಂದು ದೀಪಾರಾಧನೆ ನಾವು ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸರ್, ವಿತ್ ಯೋರ್ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಶೆಲ್ ವಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ದ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್? ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ನಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಸೀಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?